October 19th, Despicable Me has hell to pay when they face most violent in a barbed wire steel cage at Bumps in the Night 3D. Don't miss Power Week. Tickets available now at PowProWrestling.com.
Here's another community safety payroll tax impact moment. Teen empowerment is a vital component of the community safety payroll tax. Through CSPT funding, youth and family services in the recreation division serve historically marginalized groups. Teens benefit by engaging in learning, exploring, and workforce preparation. Outdoor adventures, leadership training, and social skills are all part of the program. This community safety payroll tax impact moment is a service of the Eugene Police Department's Public Information Office and EARS.
This is Tilly.
What's up, y'all? This is Jack Harlow. Hey, guys, I'm Vanessa Grill.
Let's get back to the music.
104.7 K-Dot.
She turned to me and then she said, hey, girls just wanna dance. Hey, girls just wanna have fun. I don't know your plans. Hey, I just wanna get some. Girls wanna summer with their friends, wanna do it to their ex and then get the job. Girls just wanna